Hey everybody, this is Tyler Bailey of Bailey Law Firm in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm a trial lawyer, a primary practice in the areas of personal injury, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and justice for crime victims. And today I'm coming to you, it's Sunday, I believe March 12th, and I want to talk to y'all about tax evasion, which is a crime in South Carolina, specifically section 125444. States that a person who willfully attempts in any manner to evade or defeat a tax or property assessment imposed under this title by the Department of Revenue, that's what they're talking about, or the payment of tax or property assessment is, in addition to penalties provided by law, guilty of a felony offense. You could be convicted up to 5 years and you can be fined $10,000. And that's in addition to any additional taxes, penalties you have to pay for evading taxes. So it's very important, number one, if you are accused of tax evasion in South Carolina, that you hire an experienced criminal defense attorney who knows how to navigate the criminal justice system, in addition to navigating our tax law system, who could address the tax controversy, present a case that shows that you were not willfully evading taxes, which is the most important thing when addressing a tax evasion case. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Columbia, South Carolina. You can learn more about my practice on BaileyLawFirmSC.com. I represent people, unfortunately, who have been accused of tax evasion. And one of the main things I like to focus on is the willfully. So if you're able to establish that you're not willfully evading taxes and that there was no intent for you to get over on the government on the amount you pay, you can beat your tax evasion case. It sounds simple, but it's very complicated. It's not as simple as it seems. You need an experienced criminal defense attorney. What I do is, we look at the taxes, we compare the filings, we get the information that the government allegedly has, showing that somebody has been accused of a tax evasion, and then we present a case that shows there is no willful intent on the accused of evading taxes, which can result in a simple fine and penalties for the discrepancy, or maybe a reduction from felony tax evasion to the misdemeanor offense. And the most important thing you want to make sure that's done when you're facing a tax evasion charge is that you can move on with your life, address the crime you're accused of paying, make sure that your accountant in collaboration with your lawyer can present a different set of or a different view of the facts that they're looking at that shows that it's not criminal, and you can move on with your life. So do not take a tax evasion case lightly. If you receive a letter from the federal government, the IRS, or the South Carolina Department of Revenue saying that you're under investigation for possibly evading taxes, you do not want to go into that room to speak to the government alone. You don't want to just start giving them information. You want to get a experienced criminal defense attorney who can present your case for you. So it's tax season. Taxes are due April 15th. Make sure you're very careful to report all your income, because if you don't, you could be dealing with a tax evasion case. At the maximum, you can also be audited, and everybody knows you do not want to have issues with the Department of Revenue or the federal government, being the IRS. Those are people you don't want to play with. And if you are unfortunately accused of tax evasion, contact me, Tyler Bailey at Bailey Law Firm SC.com. The number is 803-667-9716. Again, I'm Tyler Bailey. I'm a criminal defense attorney based out of Columbia, South Carolina. To learn more about me, visit BaileyLawFirmSC.com. And hopefully you're never accused of willfully evading paying your taxes. But if you are, I can help you and work your situation out. Y'all take care.